In flows, entities represent core objects in your application, like users, products, or tasks. Creating an entity allows you to define its structure, fields, and visibility across your workflow. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating an entity step by step. Start by going to the Entities Config option in the sidebar. This is where you manage all the entities for your organization. Click the Add New button to open the entity creation form. We'll now create an entity called AnnotationTask, used to manage data for image annotation. Under Entity Details, enter the following: Key, AnnotationTask, Collection Path, Entity Path. Description: this is the entity that represents all required fields to create an annotation task. Singular, annotation task. Plural, annotation tasks. These values define how your entity is stored, accessed, and labeled in the system. Add the first field. Key, masks. Label, segmentation masks to add. Description, names of each mask, comma separated. Type, string. Format, inline. Then configure the permissions. Editable by all users. Required for all users. Visible for all users. Add the second field. Key, images. Label, packet images. Description, images to add to the packet, comma separated. Type, string. Format, inline. Set the same permissions. Editable by all users. Required for all users. Visible for all users. Now let's configure where the entity appears in the app. First, add a list page. Key, annotation task. Title, annotation task. Page type, list. Show in menu, enabled. Next, add an import page. Key, import. Title, import. Page type, import. Show in menu, disabled. This lets users upload annotation tasks via CSV files. Click Save to create the entity. It will now appear in your entity list and be available throughout the platform, including pipelines, pages, and workflows. You've successfully created the Annotation Task entity. Entities are the foundation of your application in flows, enabling clean data modeling, permissions control, and seamless integration with your pipelines. Thanks for watching.